This tutorial video will explain how to receive and manage your payments using onlinecheckwriter.com, powered by Zil Money. To get started, click the Receivables button on the side panel. From the drop-down, click Receive Payments. You will be taken to the Receive Payments page. To request a payment, click on this button. You can receive your payment directly to your account. You can request payment either by selecting your payee or by using their email address or phone number directly. Then, enter the required details. If you enable this editable option, the payer will be able to edit the amount and memo. Click here to set up a recurring receivable transaction if needed. Then, click on the Request button to send a payment link to your payer. Now, the payment has been requested through the payment link to your payee. Click this button to view the details of your payment requests in the table. Once the payment is completed by your payee, the status will change to Accept or Reject. You need to accept a payment before depositing the fund once you receive it, or perhaps reject the payment altogether by using this button. The check has been successfully accepted. You can now print and deposit it, transfer the payment directly to your bank account instantly, or choose to complete the action later. If you receive the payment as a check, you can print it on check paper or white paper. To confirm that your check has been printed correctly, click the Yes button. You can manually pull money from one's account through ACH by clicking this button. Your bank account needs to be approved for the manual ACH process. Enter the necessary details, then process, schedule, or set up a recurring payment as needed. Transfer the received fund directly to the account of the ACH approved bank account using the Direct Deposit button. Using this button, you can also create a deposit slip using the received checks. Here you can view the pending, new, printed, rejected, requested, and canceled payments separately using the corresponding tabs. View the payments received through the payment software on the e-payments page. By clicking on this button, you will manage the recurring payments received through the payment link and ACH on the recurring page. You can pause, resume, and cancel recurring payments here. View and manage the payments received through virtual cards by clicking on this button. Select the number of entries and customize the columns displayed in the table from here. Export the list into different formats by clicking this button.